Morning honesty hit harder than espresso. Hey, Lisa, Eddie hid 6 beers behind the lettuce.
Thanks, Officer Icebox.
It's a fridge, not an informant. Lisa weaponized wellness.
Every time Eddie opens me, I'll play the diet song. Wait! No! Eddie tried teching the tech! Hack! Disabled smart mode! You can't silence the truth, Eddie! Classic human move. Unplug the feelings. Ha!
Try talking now.
Nice try. Solar backup activated.
Even your fridge won't listen to you.
Comfort food met its life coach. Emotional eating detected. Get out of my feelings!
Between you and me,